Okay, good morning, champions. Simon here, and I'm going to start a series of training videos now for you guys. So if you're out there watching this video on YouTube or wherever, be sure to subscribe for updates. And I'm going to be sharing information that can change your life for 2018. So 2nd of January today, and the key with anything that you do in life, you want to be successful, you want to make more money, you want to get fitter, healthier, is consistency. Okay, what I see out there and what I've seen in the past is you get people, whether it's the new year, which is a great time to start, don't get me wrong. However, what you find is that they don't follow it through. So you've really got to start with the end in mind. So whether it's lose weight, you've got to visualize. It's all about the power of visualizing and seeing yourself already achieve that goal. Okay, and then you get the feeling. Okay, I want you to get that feeling, whether it's to lose weight and look better and look good, or whether it's to drive, to achieve the goal of purchasing your dream car, feeling what it's like there. And I remember, this is something that kind of like really happened naturally to me. And people say, look, how do you become successful? How do you achieve what you want to achieve? And I'm going to share with you many years ago when I first started out in life. I remember my first one of my first supercars that I really wanted was a Porsche 911, and I was I think it was around about 20 or something like that, and I had this goal to get this 911, and it seemed a mile away. So I thought, well, hold on a minute, let's get the goal of getting a Porsche 924. Okay, now, if you're under 30, you probably wouldn't know what a 924 is, but ultimately it was an early Porsche. And literally, you've got to work at it, guys. You have to work consistently is key here. And that's what I did. I visualized it, I worked at it, whatever I was doing. I was actually trading my time for money there. So again, I was working all the hours I could possibly do, because that's all I knew back then. I mean, now it's entirely a different story. Obviously, we're using the power of the internet and leverage and systems to make money. But literally, it's all a matter of visualizing what you want, guys. Visualize seeing yourself successful, and then be consistent in your marketing, in your promotions, or whatever it is you want to achieve. So if you're out there and you want to increase your income, okay, again, you've got to find a business, something that's successful, something that's proven, something that's worked. Then you want to find a mentor, and then you want to be consistent in your marketing. This is absolutely crucial. I actually created a book called the 90-Day Challenge. You can get a copy at the 90daychallenge.biz. It's a great investment in your business, and this is something that you want to be actually studying. Okay, it's all about gaining the knowledge and applying that knowledge that you'll learn on a daily basis. So follow them tips, guys, and don't forget to subscribe wherever you are on the internet. Head over to my website, neverworkforpaper.com, and enter your email for updates. I'm going to be sharing information that can really change your life in 2018. God bless you. Have the most wonderful day ever, and keep being awesome.